amigos, Dr. Doug here at BodyTrust.com. I want to read you a headline of an article I found this morning in Science Daily. It's from Penn State. It says, medical marijuana has gained attention in recent years for its potential to relieve pain and short-term anxiety and depression. Now, researchers say some cannabinoid compounds may actually inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells in the lab. That means slow them down. Now, I don't know why that would be, and I would advise you that if you're going to use cannabis, don't smoke it unless it's rare, unless you rarely do that. Don't smoke it. Eat it, because if you're getting high every weekend, you don't want to be adding hot gases to your upper body. This is internal heat that's not natural in the sense, it's harmful. So if you're going to use it, eat it. But really, I want to talk about colon cancer. And this is a terrible problem. And what I've seen is that, like everything else, is a combination of genes and lifestyle. So if you have the gene, if you have that colon cancer genetic makeup that gets switched on, then you need to be lean and clean on the inside, because what happens is people overeat. It's not the wrong food, it's too much food. They eat too much food, too many calories, and they get fat. And along with that fat goes a cesspool in the colon. In other words, half-processed food. We call that in Chinese medicine food stagnation. Food stagnation develops heat, because anything that sits around for a while is going to develop heat. It's stagnated. So it's not moving with the flow. It's sitting here and building up pressure and heat, trying to get past that barrier. That food's trying to get out, but it can't, because it's not being processed, because it's overloaded the digestive apparatus. We call that spleen, stomach. And so it sits there and becomes toxic. Well, anything that's toxic for a while could develop into all kinds of things. A lot of skin problems, sinus problems. That's the first indication. And it can develop into nasty little tumors, polyps, and they grow because of their in that fetid atmosphere. And they grow and they grow and they grow, and they become a big problem. Now, hunger is your meter for being clean and lean. Hunger is the meter. It's an empty feeling in the stomach area that motivates you to go out and work all day for food, like all the other animals. If you're not feeling that empty feeling in the stomach area, if you have some other synonym or other meaning for hunger, and there's 1,000 of them, and you're carrying extra weight, especially if you're carrying extra weight, if you're fat or obese, you could be playing with fire there. So it's worth it to back off food, whatever it takes, but to stay off the food, move them to the sidelines, from center stage to the sidelines. That's where we need food to be. Not important. Not an important thing. Yes, a reward at the end of a day, but not the be-all and end-all of your day, right? And I know people who start talking about the next meal as they're finishing the current meal, and this is how they live. So anyway. Well, that's it for today. Go easy on that marijuana if you're using that to relieve pain. I understand that. Or take trips. It's good for adventures. And hasta mañana, amigos.